Okay, this video is a quick tutorial on creating a unique ID inside of GoHighLevel. Now this can be used for policy numbers, a gym membership, anything that requires not a contact ID and not an opportunity ID, something separate that you can use within your business, or if your client needs some sort of reference number, you can use this tutorial as a way to get that done. So the other side of this is exploring the new GoHighLevel advanced builder. It's incredible. I think there's a lot more flexibility and functionality you can get out of it. It's getting a lot closer to make.com and N8N. So let's get right into it. You can see here I'm in a new workflow. To get to the advanced builder, you go from standard, which is your top-down view, and then now this is your left to right view. And very similar to N8N, you've got your add trigger button here. We're just going to start this one off with form submission, and I can choose any form, it doesn't really matter. But to get or to achieve a random ID or some sort of ID number, what we would use is custom code action. And the really cool thing about this is you don't need to code. You can build code with AI, and it's been really helpful for specific use cases, and this one in particular is probably one of the best. So yeah, what we would do, create a prompt. We're going to say generate a unique ID with a prefix of poll, and then followed by 4 random digits. Ensure the result is something like poll 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's generate that and see what we come back with. You may need to play around with this and test your code. Okay, we've got a error, so let's try to build this again and be a bit more descriptive. So we need to generate a policy number for the contact in this workflow. We need the policy number to be unique. A unique to be a unique identifier. Looks like unique identifier that has a prefix of poll, put that in brackets, and is then followed by 4 random digits. The example is poll 1, 2, 3. Well, let's do different numbers. 3, 2, 9, 8. And what I might do, and perfect. Let's try this one. What I'll do is copy this, generate. If I still get an error, this looks a little bit better. We've got a little bit more elements in here, so let's try this code. We'll test it, and perfect. So yeah, play around with your prompts, clean them up, make sure they're really descriptive, and you should get a test result that's successful. We can close that, save the action, and just for this example, I'm going to map it to notes, just so you can see how you can map it. So you open up custom values, scroll down to custom code, and you can see the output result here. Now, if I had a custom field, just map it to there, but overall, this is how you would do it. And there are far more advanced things that you can do with this, but just to give you some ideas, there is your output of an ID. So let's test this and make sure it works. So I'll run myself through this. And I'll just check that, because it could take some time processing it. It seems like, yep, there's one that went through. I'll just go into the contacts tab. I've even loaded myself up already. Let's check the notes. Perfect. Policy, it ran at that time, which is what we've got here. And perfect. So there you have it, a little bit of an insight into the advanced builder and a way to do unique identifier number.